Hello everyone and welcome back to another crafty decor adventure. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you some DIY Dollar Tree decor crafts. Listen, it is a new season of crafting and decorating for summer. Just so many things to look forward to. So also, I want to let you guys know I've had some crazy allergies. Drop a comment down below and let me know what's blooming in your area and are you guys experiencing this? But let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafty. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with y'all how to make a super amazing Pottery Barn pedestal bowl. So you're going to take one of those little Pottery Barn, they're kind of like a little glass cylinder jar, flip it over, add some E6000 glue, and then I like to use hot glue too so I get that instant hold, and then take one of these little succulent tray dishes, or they're just like a little kind of like a fishbowl tray, and now this is plastic, and then just pop it onto the top. And then I'm taking this elephant colored chalk paint. This is the Waverly chalk paint. I get it at Walmart, and I've never tried the elephant color, but I absolutely love the tones of it. It looks so earthy, and the earthy look is so in right now. So the first coat was just a little bit watery. I think I needed to have mixed it up a little bit, but once that dried and I applied the second and then third coat, it worked really, really well, and it looked really amazing.
Last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were.
So once the chalk paint was dry, I went ahead and filled it with some of the Dollar Tree white rocks and then some of the little Dollar Tree seashells. I popped this beautiful blue candle. I found it at TJ Maxx. Lately, I have really been incorporating a lot of blues into my decor. I feel like it's the perfect time to incorporate blues when it's summer. We have our pool up. It's going to be the best summer ever. But anyway, I think this is a great dupe on the Pottery Barn little pedestal bowl. They run from $45 up to $100, and we did it for $2 plus some cost of paint. You guys know I love boutique gorgeous on a budget.
I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to share with you guys how to make a wooden little lantern using 4 of the Dollar Tree canvases. So I removed the canvas from the actual wood piece, and then I'm just taking these little snips, and I removed all of the little staples, which is a bit tedious, so be ready if you want to go to that step. But then I'm just going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm going to hot glue the wooden pieces together. So I'm using a high heat glue gun, and it seems to work really well, and so I'm just hot gluing them all together. Now make sure you try to line them up where 2 of the pieces are on the outside and then 1 is on the inside. So anyway, you guys, this is just such a great way. If you wanted to do a tabletop, this would be a great little kind of summer or really any seasonal kind of tabletop decor piece, because you can stain it, you can paint it, and I'm using this Waverly antique wax stain. I'm using one of the little Dollar Tree sponge brushes, and I just stained the entire thing, and voila, I have a fabulous little lantern on a total budget. Okay, so now I grabbed a piece of Dollar Tree styrofoam and some Dollar Tree florals, and then some of these florals I've just had floating around in my stash. I'm going to use greenery to go around the base, and so I really want to make this lantern appear as if it's blooming. Again, a great bridal idea since it is bridal season, or if you just want to make a beautiful decor piece for your home on a total budget, add some fun florals. Dollar Tree has the best greenery out right now, you guys. And then you can pop a candle into the center, or whatever you want your centerpiece to be, a little photo frame or just whatever suits your fancy. So have fun with it, get creative, and go for it.
Just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid
The other thing I did decide to add to the centerpiece of my centerpiece were some of these beautiful roses. So a tip I have for you all is to mix in some inexpensive greenery and then take a couple of beautiful roses. Maybe you can grab them at Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, Walmart, even Dollar Tree has some pretty roses, and add those in just as a pop of like a blooming freshness. And again, I just really had bridal on mind with this. I just thought it would be so pretty. I did all of my bridal decor for my wedding, and so I did a lot of DIY, homemade, handmade, and so now I just pop some moss into the center of this and then a beautiful flickering flameless candle, and I think it looks perfect. Now, I will leave a link to my Amazon store where I have a ton of flickering flameless candles and all kinds of goodies, my craft supplies in there if you guys want to check that out. But so fun and fabulous on a budget. Now for this next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with y'all how to make a super adorable, really simple, beachy summer little votive vase. So Dollar Tree is carrying kind of this larger vase, and I'm taking some of the Dollar Tree nautical rope and I'm just hot gluing it in and around the base of the votive, and that's going to create kind of that little bit of beach vibe, I guess. And really, you guys could use any kind of little string or pretty ribbon that you have on hand. It doesn't even necessarily have to be a beach vibe, but because it is almost summer, you guys, I'm just really feeling like some beach dreaming. And so if you can't be at the beach, why not create some crafts that make you feel a little bit more beachy and fun? So again, I just added some nautical rope to the base of this. I didn't want it to go too far up because I am going to be popping a candle into it. And then now the fun part comes where you guys can just decorate it. You could add some bling. I'm going to add some of these seashells, and I will tell you, I do love this pack of seashells from Dollar Tree because there were so many different sizes and they had this smaller little seashell, and so I was able to just really kind of mix and match and add tons of goodies to the front of this.
Acting stupid, cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know.
Now, the other thing you're going to want to look for at Dollar Tree right now is the raffia that they are putting out. And I'm telling you that because you can use this for fall crafting. So I added a little raffia bow to the front, some beautiful little rocks. Again, these are also from Dollar Tree. And then I popped in a candle, and voila, I have a fabulous little beach dreaming candle on a budget.
We were meant to be.
For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with y'all how to take a super simple little Dollar Tree picture frame. This is one of their 5x7 picture frames. It's kind of this like Frenchy farmhouse, beachy vibe, bluish gray. Well, I'm taking some of these cute little seashells and I'm just going to pop them onto the corner of the frame. And I think this makes the perfect memento for when you've spent some time on the beach, you come back with that cute little family photo and you just want to have something to decorate. Or maybe you live at the beach and you need some fun new little beach decor. Or maybe you have a friend or a family member that you like to make this for. Or maybe just like me and you want to do some beach dreaming and hope that maybe you'll get to the beach this year. But anyway, use some of those Dollar Tree seashells, pop it on with some hot glue. You can mix in jewels, you can mix in some sea glass, whatever floats your boat. Use some of your actual beach mementos that you get from the beach if you actually do go. But anyway, have fun with it, get creative, and go for it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with y'all how I'm taking these cute little Dollar Tree votive holders. I'm going to flip them upside down. Now they have this really cool kind of sea glass color to them and this feather pattern on them. I wanted to pop some of these other little Dollar Tree glass jars on top of them and then add some E6000 glue, which is glass glue. It'll keep your glue permanently together, but really any sure bonding like heavy duty adhesive glue will work, and then some hot glue, and that is going to pop these on top of here. I just thought this would be a fun way to add height. I really love to add height to a lot of my decor pieces, and you guys can really get so creative with this. You could use a candlestick, you could pop rocks and a succulent into this, you could put seashells into these, you could add candles, really anything that your little heart desires. But this is just a fun and fabulous and easy little craft. I feel like all summer crafts should just be so easy. So I'm trying to share with you guys so many different easy ideas. So what I did was I just used some of these Dollar Tree white seashells. So I grabbed a colored pack and then a white pack, and they're so fun to play around with. So I just popped them into here, and then voila, you can pop these into your bathroom as a little decor piece or set next to your kitchen sink, again, to do some beach dreaming. I just love this pretty aquamarine color. And then the other thing I did too was I popped some little jewels into the center of the Dollar Tree starfish. I feel like that gave them a really fabulous glam look. Now listen, I'm going to link where I get my jewels. They're from totallydazzled.com, and Natalie is a small business. She is amazing. So you guys check out that link if you need some crafting jewels. They're super inexpensive. They come out to about $1.50 each, and they're so, so, so beautiful. So here we go with our little beach dreaming starfish little candles. Now for this next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take one of the Dollar Tree vases and some nautical rope, and I just want to create a cute little beachy themed kind of vase. I'm going to start by hot gluing the nautical rope to the base of the vase and then just kind of wind it around and give it that really sweet little beach vibe.
You make me smile, what is it that you do? Was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna.
The next thing I did was tie a little raffia bow, and then I'm just going to add that to my little vase. This is going to be similar to the votive holder that I made. I wanted to have like a little matching buddy, and so then you can get creative and decorate it with some seashells or just whatever suits your fancy and whatever style you want to go for. I'm using some of the Dollar Tree rocks to pop into here to give it some height and dimension.
Take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay.
So I popped in some little Dollar Tree white rocks and then a cute little candle, and now I'm jazzing it up a little bit further to match my other little creation with some of the Dollar Tree seashells. So there you guys have it, a fun and fabulous beach dreaming decor idea on a total budget. Now listen, as always, I ask that you guys comment and let me know what was your favorite DIY in this video. Which one will you all be recreating? Thank you for going along with me with my crazy allergy voice. Also, I'm going to be giving away a Cricut Joy. I want to bring one of you some joy. So don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite beach that you go to is. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you very soon. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It is a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home. I'm a DIY crafty mama, and I love to share with y'all how you can make a boutique gorgeous home on a budget. And for everybody that comes back and loves on me, listen, your love and support is truly felt. I mean, you guys are just amazing. So also thank you for lighting up my comment section with positive vibes, positive things, emojis, and all of that fun stuff. I feel like we all truly have a voice in this world and we can use it for good. So don't ever forget how important you are and how amazing that you are. So thank you guys again for being here. Also, don't forget to pop over to my Facebook page. I have an Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page, and I've created a free group page for everybody that loves to craft and decorate and share photos of their crafting and decorating projects. So thank you guys for everybody that's over there. It's an amazing group. It's a kind and positive community. So thank you guys again for that. Hey, I also have an Instagram page, a TikTok, and all of that fun stuff. So let's just keep this crafting and decorating party going. I think it's so good for your heart and soul to just keep plugging in those glue guns and getting out your paint and making beautiful things for your home. So I'm gonna let you guys get back to your day. I love y'all to the moon and back. Thank you for being here. Hopefully I'm gonna kick these allergies away soon. And remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.